गोवा डेअरीतली स्कॅमां आणि गैरव्यवहाराचेर प्रुडंटान एकार एक एक्सपोजे केल्यात. प्रकरण चौकशेक रजिस्ट्रारा मेरेन पावन डेअरीच्या कारभाराचो सीएच्या समिती वरवीं पंचनामोय जाला. आता सरकाराचेर कोर्टान परत बडी मारल्या. प्रकरण गोवा डेअरीच्या एमडीच्या नेमणुकेचे. सरकारान आदले एमडी आणि कांय डायरेक्टरांक काडिल्ले खरे, मात आता प्रशासकान एमडीच्या पदार बसयला तो तेन्नाच्या सगळ्या खरेदी समितींचो मुखेली. गोंधळ जाला तो खरेदीतूच. सरकारान ताकाच कसो एमडी केलो काय म्हूण हायकोर्टान जाब मागला.
The Honorable High Court was pleased to ask the state government, the administrator, to submit before this Honorable Court that as to why respondent number 5, who is Mr. Duri, have been appointed as managing director, mainly because he was the one who headed all those three committees who eventually was involved in the entire illegalities and mismanagement. So especially when the main fact which have to be examined today is what was his role in the entire mismanagement and irregularities. There are complaints pending against this Mr. Duri. Those complaints are not decided. So this Honorable High Court have asked the administrator as to why they were compelled to appoint this Mr. Duri, especially when he headed those all the committees.
एमडीच्या नेमणुकेत प्रक्रिया आणि नेम कित्याक पाळले ना ताचे स्पष्टीकरण कोर्टान मागला.
By flouting the basic rules, the bylaws, which provides that the next senior-most person should be appointed as the managing director. So there is a backdoor entry given to Mr. Duri, and he has been appointed there. So this is what we have challenged before this court, and this in fact defeats the very purpose of the orders and judgment passed by this honorable court in the earlier Shivanand Pendekar matter. So there, this honorable court was pleased to direct the registrar to take action against all those mismanagement illegalities, and the forthcoming action of suspension had come. So this, whatever this administrator have done today, have in fact violated the very order in letter and spirit. Have failed to comply with the order in letter and spirit.
एकंदर प्रकरण पळोवंक गेल्यार प्रशासकाच्या नेमणुके उपरांतूय डेअरी सुदारपाचें नांव घेना. सगळे बोकले मलय खावपाचेच. एमडीचे नेमणुकेचेर जाप दिवंक सरकाराक 3 सप्तकांचो प्राज. केस मार्चाच्या पहिल्या सप्तकात दवरल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी.